Hello guys.
Night walk. Going to the party.
Central. This is Dorini in Milan.
Oh, promise.
Italy.
In the land of promise.
This is the central city of Milan. So a night walk with Donggi. He's getting sick, guys. It's around 40 degrees in Florence, so it was heat. Okay. Central City. Ano dire ang mga Louis Vuitton, shoe. Napay Antrax IT dire oh. Red, Martini. Red doors. Look at that. The buildings. Wow. Dagko kayo lang mga shop dere, guys. Sa mga branded shop. Namin siya shorts o isa ral.
Oh, no, sure, that is all. Woolrich. Lagay ba?
No, dili pa man siya dito. Woolrich. Wala pa. Okay na ta dire.
Wala na ito lang ba sila na siya?
Turn left toward Via Durini.
Ganda kung dali ako kuan. Ay wow. Mana lang. Normal na itong kuan dito. Oh. Ako dito. Ano oh. Hotel na siya, guys. Oh. Number 12.
Turn right on.
Oh, kaya di ako makuha. So this is the Dorini Milano, the central part of Milan, Italy. Okay. So guys, that's all for tonight, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Donggi Vlog. Bye bye. Adios, mi amigo, amiga.
Bonjour.
Bonjour or no?
No, it's fine.
Bye.
Gracias.
Ciao. Gracias.